Right, this is a repair video for the JV2000 Espagnolette bolt range. A lot of people are having problems with circlips coming off the front handle and this pulling out. Now this is due to an installation issue where the bar is not being put sufficiently into the neck of the handle and it's snapping apart inside. Okay, so I'll show you what that part is by taking the unit apart. Okay, so I've released these screws quickly anyway. So there's two screws, top and bottom, which need to be taken off. So just take those out. Okay, take the back plate off. Lay it flat. Do not move any of these components, so just lay it flat and be very careful. Now this is the part, the offending part. This is called the follower. Now this obviously goes through into the neck of the handle. I'll take this out now. Be careful because this part can slide down. So just take it off. Okay, and inside you'll see the component that breaks. Okay, you should have two tabs either side. Now the reason why it breaks, let me just lay that down gently, is this bar slides into the back of the follower, and you have to give it a little bit of a push just to go through beyond the neck. Okay, unfortunately people are stopping there. Okay, and the grub screw which goes into here is breaking this little part off. Okay, so but just push it through. Okay, and then put your grub screw into the bar as hard as you can because it needs to grip. All right, because unfortunately a lot of people use these on stiff doors, and when they pull them, it can pull this apart. Okay, so that's the main problem. There's a circlip. I'm going to take this up anyway. So under here is the circlip. All right, so that is what comes apart. Okay, now obviously it won't come out. There's a very deep groove there, unless there's a lot of force or yeah, it's not been fitted properly. Okay, so that's basically the fault. I'll do another video doing the reassembly now for you. Okay, so reassembly is basically the reverse of what you've just done. So get your component parts. On top and one bottom. I'm going to lay this slightly flat so it doesn't come apart. Push them both to the very top. Okay. Get the follower. Make sure the broken part is actually at the bottom. That's where you want the grub screws going without touching that. Pop it into the top, making sure that they're aligned properly. Okay, that should be it. So it's nice and flat, nice and loose. And obviously this component part here, obviously you're not moving any of the bits here or here. Make sure they're exactly lined up like that. And then put the case over the top. All right, also I meant to also say that make sure your circlet's back on. And simply do it up. Okay. Just do this up quickly so you can make sure they rotates fully 180 degrees. That's in the locked position, open position, little grubs go underneath. Put your bar through and you'll feel it just about grab, and then push it a little bit more. Turn the handle 90 degrees. Just push it through again, not too far, but far enough to grip the bar. And make sure this grub screw is fully done up, as hard as you can. Okay. Once that's fully on, I'll have to get the lever part. There you go. That's fully on now. That won't come out. Also, it's exactly the same with the other side. There's another handle. Make sure that the grub screw is fully done in and at the point at which it grips the bar, and that's it. Okay, simple as that. And that will continue working for many years without needing any maintenance. Thank you.